hope this video has clearly shown the full process, and most importantly, who's really responsible for this massive problem of electronic waste. I've read hundreds of comments lately, and I understand the argument that without planned obsolescence, many people would lose their jobs and money would stop circulating. But at what cost? This endless cycle of consumerism has a devastating price we can't keep ignoring. My proposal is simple: stronger devices built with high-quality components so you, the user, decide when to upgrade, not the companies. The phone is ready for final functionality tests. I hope this video made the full process clear and, above all, helped you see who is truly responsible for the massive wave of electronic waste.